Children, I have taken this sample paper. We will solve it and it will be helpful for your board exams. I have taken it from the past few years' papers. You can see here it has few sections and you have been given some choices. For example, section A, you have to answer only 5 questions, okay? So you can see the passage is here in front of you and you have to answer. One by one we will solve it. Ma hua at-Taj Mahal. What is Taj Mahal? Ma hua. Ma hua means what is Taj Mahal. So we can get our answer here. At-Taju Mahal Imaratun Qadimatun Tarikhiyya. Taj Mahal is an old historical building. Aina Yaqa'u at-Taj Mahal. Where is Taj Mahal located? Aina means where. So you should know the question word so you can solve it easily. Where it is located? يقع التاج محل في مدينة آكرا على بعد 300 كيلومتر من دلهي. Taj Mahal is located in Agra city 300 kilometers away from Delhi. So it will be your second answer. Question number 3. Man bana at-Taj Mahal. Man, who? Who has built Taj Mahal? You can get your answer here. Bana, who? Al-Imperatur al-Maghuli Shah Jahan. Tizkaran li zawjatihi al-mahbubati Mumtaz Mahal. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan has built it in the memory of his loving wife Mumtaz Mahal. This will be your third answer. Limaza Banahu. Limaza, why? Why the emperor has built this Taj Mahal? Why the emperor has built it? Emperor, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan has built it. Why did he build it? So you can use this thing again. Tizkaran li zawjatihi al-mahbuba Mumtaz Mahal. So I will suggest one thing. You finish your answer number 3 till here. Okay, because question number 3 is only about who has built Taj Mahal. Question number 5 is Min ayye marmarin buniyat Taj Mahal. From which stone Taj Mahal is being built? So from which stone? You can see your answer here. Buniyat Taj Minal Marmaril Abyad. Taj means the Taj Mahal is built from the white marble. So it will become your answer number 5. Then question number 6. Kaifa yazharu taju fi laylatin muqmarah. How does the Taj look in the moonlight? How does it look? Yes, Harutaju, answer number 6. Bishaklin lami'in, very bright, very radiant, fi laylatim muqmira, in the moonlight. Kam amilan banauhu wa fi kam sana. How many? So I will write these English words for you. You can remember, inshallah. Kaifa means how and kam means how many. How many workers have built and in how many years? How many workers have built it and in how many years? Yuqalu, you can take from here. This is answer number 7. Anna Ishraini Alfa Amilin Banauhu fi Ishrina Sanatan. It is called that 20,000 workers have built it in 20 years. So you can take this one in answer number 7. I hope it is clear. Section B is your writing skills, okay? And you have to first you have to choose a right suitable word to fill the blanks. You have to make only 5. You have to do only 5 of them, but I will solve inshallah everything so you can learn better. Okay. Al-Muallimat, number 1, Al-Muallimat. This is Mubtada and this is Muannas, right? And this is also plural. So similarly, we have to see the khabar should be Muannas, should be plural, and should be compatible with Al-Muallimat. With the sound also you can see Alif Ta is here. Apparently also you can see Alif Ta is here. So Jalisat is the correct answer. Number 2, في الصف مربحة جديدة. So mirbaha is mausuf, jadida is sifat. Here you can see ta marbuta is there, ta marbuta is there. So both are compatible. Hum, I have taken zahabu. Why? Because hum is jama. This damir is for jama. So we have to take the fi'l of jama, mudhakkar. Okay? Jama, mudhakkar, ghayab. Many things are there, but in general you can remember this is plural, this is plural. This is muzakkar, this is muzakkar. Then you are good to go. You can understand quickly. Al-awlad. With al-awlad we will use al-kibar. Because this is jama, this is muzakkar, so we will take the sifat also jama and also should be muzakkar. Okay? Because al-kibar is a plural of kabir. You should remember. Akalatil bintu, I have taken at-tufaha. Why? For what reason? Because at-tufaha is maftuh and this is maf'ul in the setting of this jumla because fail is there, fa'il is there. So what is remaining? Definitely maf'ul is remaining and maf'ul should be maftuh. So that's why at-tufaha should be the right answer. Point number 6 is ana. I have taken katabtu because of ana. Katabtu. Whenever we are saying katabtu, zahabtu, raja'tu, so that is for me, myself, I. Okay, that's why I have taken because of ana. I hope you are clear. Point number 7, al-maktabatu, la tabqa. Tabqa I have taken because al-maktaba is muannas with ta marbuta. So I have to take the fi'l of muannas only. Right? After that you can see correct any 5 of the following sentences. Al-bintu, al-jamilatu, mujtahidatun. It should be mujtahidatun. Correction is mujtahidatun because al-bint is muannas, sifat is here which is muannas and here you can see this is khabar, so khabar should be muannas as well. Al-ustazu. Correction is kataba. It should be kataba because al-ustaz is muzakkar. Al-azharu. Al-jamila. It should be al-jamila. Why? Because al-azhar is a plural of kind of thing which is called jama mukassar. In that type of jama, the real formation of the wordings will be jumbled. Azhar is coming from zahar. Okay? And we cannot see like the proper formation of zahar over here. So with azhar we have to use muannas, ta marbuta. Fi al-madrasa maktabatun kabira because maktaba is muannas, so the adjective should be muannas also. Yawmul ahadi utlatun rasmiya because utla is muannas with ta marbuta, so the sifat also should be with ta marbuta, right? Indi salasatu aqlam. It should be aqlam, the plural. Okay? And the adad ma'dud inshallah I will tell you in the next video. Al-banat. With al-banat we have to use as-salihat because alif ta is here, so alif ta must be here. Okay? I hope it is clear. Section C is grammar and translation. So you can look very carefully and solve it. Define Jama Mukassar and illustrate it in subjective, objective, and genitive cases. You have to define, you have to write a short definition of Jama Mukassar, and also you have to give the examples with Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. Okay? So, first thing you should remember, I have told you here also when I was teaching you Aqlam, Thalathatu Aqlamin. So, you can remember that Jama Mukassar is a broken plural where the real structure of a noun is broken. You can write in the definition where the real in which or in it the real structure of the word is broken, and it is known as, that's why it is known as the broken plural. Okay, and in halat al-rafa we can use it, for example, al-azharu, al-jamilatu, beautiful flowers. Or if you have to show it in halat al-nasab, then you can say ra'aytu al-azhara al-jamilata, I saw beautiful flowers. Or if you have to use in halat al-jar, so you can say qara'tu min al-kutubi, I read from the books. The examples of broken plurals will be al-kutub, al-aqlam, al-azhar. Okay? Inshallah, I will try to write them down in the separate column or in the separate video. Otherwise, this video will become very longer. I will try to finish the sample paper in this one. Okay, we go further. You have to translate any three sentences. يقرأ الولد الدرس. The boy is reading the chapter. أين قلمك الأحمر? Where is your red pen? Don't forget, okay? Your. Where is your red pen? أشرب اللبن كل يوم. I drink milk every day. ما هذا? What is this? هذا كرسي. This is a chair. من هو? Who is he? Okay, this is muzakkar. So you will write he. Who is he? Now the sixth portion. Translate any of the two following sentences into Arabic. What is your name? Ma ismuka. Ma ismuka. This is a door. Hazal bab. Sita is your sister. Sita. Ukhtuki. Ukhtuka is also fine because your is not mentioned as muzakkar or muannas, so you can write Sita ukhtuka. Read this book. Iqra hadha al-kitab. Section D is the literature, and you have to translate any one of the following passages. I have taken this passage. هذه المدرسة العالية الثانوية للبنات. This is the senior secondary school للبنات for the girls. This is the senior secondary school for the girls. هي تقع قرب محكمة تيس هزاري. It is located or situated near the office of Tees Hazari. Tees Hazari is a place. هذه المدرسة واسعة وجميلة. This school is broad and beautiful. لها بابان كبيران وجميلان. It has two big and beautiful gates. بابان, gates. فيها نحو 50 غرفة لإدارة الفصول. In it, approximately 50 rooms are there to administer the classrooms. تبدأ المدرسة. The school is starting من الفصل الأول from grade 1 إلى الثاني عشر till grade 12. From grade 1 to grade 12. تدرس فيها البنات فقط. Only girls are studying here or study here, because in fi'l mudara you can use the present continuous tense and normal present tense, both are okay. يبلغ عددهن أكثر من 1000 طالبة. and the number of them is reaching more than 1000 students. Okay, so the number of students are reaching more than 1000. This is the translation of this paragraph. Question number 8 is you have to explain any three verses with the reference to the context. Means not only you have to translate but also you have to explain with a small context. Okay, so I have taken 1, 2, and 3. So, number 1 we will read from left to right. لقد جاهدت في صبر وعزم وقابلت الشدائد بابتسام. You have struggled with great patience and determination. Sabr is patience, azm is determination. وقابلت الشدائد بابتسام, and you have met difficulties with a smile. So the context is, because you have to write the context also. So the context is these stanzas are said by the poet in the you can say to encouraging the Arabs. Okay, he is talking to the Arabs and he is encouraging them that you have struggled in the past and you were struggling with a lot of issues, bloodshed, killing, robbery. They were having a lot of cultural and social issues, but still you were standing tall and you have met the difficulties with a smile. Point number 2, Wa'utta Muzaffaran Hurran Kariman, and you lived a life of victory and freedom as a free person, highly raised and mighty in honor. Aziz al Jahi, highly raised, wa marfu al Muqam, and mighty in honor. A small explanation of the second line is despite having difficulties, you were having your own life and you were living freely, and you lived a life of victory and freedom, and you were highly raised and mighty in honor. Means you were keeping up your honor upright, and also you were taking care of the people around you. Not only that, the generosity of the Arabs is very famous, not only in the present but in the past as well. They were really very famous, so they were standing tall despite having difficulties. Point number 3, Biladuka Zatu Tarikhim Majid. Your homeland has a glorious and pious history. Ariqin fil Hadarati wan Nizam, known better due to its system, culture, knowledge, and discipline. So, a small explanation of line number 3 is despite having your challenges, despite having your own struggles, your homelands, the Arab lands were very much known because of their rich history, because of their vast culture, and because of their vast knowledge and discipline, because of their lifestyles, and because of their good morals and values. I hope it is clear. Here your chapter, your question paper got over. Inshallah, I will try to solve 2023, 21, whatever I can. Inshallah, I will do in the upcoming video. Okay.